Hi folks, this is Vicki at patternprincess.com. I'm working, I have the blanket on my lap here, and I'm just working on the Puffy and Dreamy chunky crochet throw blanket, and it's using the natural wicker stitch, which I do have a tutorial for as well on the website and a video for the whole stitch starting from the beginning. But I wanted to show just how this stitch is working with this chunky yarn. And the stitch that I'm doing right now is the row 3, where you're working in the chain 3 spaces of the row before, which is a row 2 row, and you're just doing a chain 2 V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet, and then you skip to the next chain 3 section. And this blanket here is one that I really truly did. I had almost a whole skein used, and each time I didn't like the stitch combination that I had with this yarn, and I'd tear the whole thing out. Then I left it sit for a couple weeks, and I started working on the Aurora Borealis shawl. That one's already up and posted and done, and finally I came up with another stitch that I loved. Now, this little video right here, where we are right now, is the row 2 repeat, and that's where you do your front post double crochet around your double crochet post in the row before, and then you do in the chain 2 space, you do a chain 3 V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. And towards the end of this video here, I actually show the end of this particular row, because if I'm going to goof up anything, twice I did it. As I was working on this blanket, I'd get the next row out, and I was like, something's goofy. My ends should line up perfectly on the ends, and it didn't. And I had missed the very last front post double crochet, and then your chain 3 V-stitch in the very last one. So make sure that you don't mess that up. Otherwise, you'll have to rip some stitches out. But I just absolutely love how this blanket turned out, and I hope that you give it a try. This right here, this is the part right here that I just talked about at the very end. That very last piece, you have one little V-stitch. See, you have that double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. You can't forget to do that one right there. And then you still have to end the row with a double crochet. So I'll let you finish watching this. I hope that you take some time to make this yourself. I just love it. It's like a 3D V-stitch. It is so cool, so much texture. Just loving it. So thanks for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy.